Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Golden Dollar Invest. Today, let's talk about a financial milestone that can be a total game changer, saving $10,000. At first, it may seem like quite an impressive figure, but let me assure you, it easily dwarfs it in terms of the changes it can bring into your life. First of all, it is a victory of the mind. Accomplishing this goal is mind-blowingly empowering, turning those distant dreams of owning a house, starting a company, traveling around the world into something much closer and more tangible. Also, it is your superhero during a financial emergency. That's your emergency fund. People lose their job, get sick, or have car issues. That $10,000 buffer saves you from drowning in bills when those come. The relief. Oh, the relief. It is worth all the gold in the world. Speaking of gold, it also becomes your pass to choosing an investment. Depending on the plan you'll choose, investing means buying an asset or putting money in the stock, bond, or perhaps real estate with the 10K amount. Oh, how wonderful it would be to picture seed money blossoming into a fantastic financial tree in the future. Finally, the fun cannot be dismissed. There is stress relief associated with the activity. Money concerns are often one of the biggest mood killers because they can interfere with your ability to sleep well, be intimate with others, and be generally happy. A lot of stress can be done away with by saving 10K. This is because you will focus on other more important aspects of life. Besides, it creates new opportunities. It matters because having 10K in savings means you can quit your job if you need to, go back to school, take that dream vacation, or start that small business you always wanted. But of course, it is not only the matter of extra money, but the matter of developing good habits as well. Creating a budget, saving money not only for rainy days, and working on your financial literacy are the things that will help you for the rest of your life. Well, are you ready to bring a change? As they say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Every cent you save brings you closer to those goals. Join us in achieving a stable and prosperous financial future. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more money-saving tips. Welcome to the exciting world of financial literacy.